Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a workout and meal planner in Notion. Click New Page in the left sidebar to create a new page. A blank untitled page opens in the main workspace ready for you to start building your planner. The page opens with the title field, Active. Type your planner name. In this example, Workout Planner. The title appears at the top of your page and automatically saves as you type. Click into the page body below the title and type /table to bring up the command menu with table selected. The / command menu appears in line with a list of block types you can insert, and table is highlighted at the top of the list. Click Table to insert a database table into the page. A new database table is added to your page with default column headers and an empty first row ready for customization. The table appears with a blank header row. Click into the first column and type Exercise to name it. The column header updates as you type and sets the category for all entries below it in that column. Move to the second column and type Sets. This creates a dedicated column for tracking the number of sets you complete for each exercise. Move to the third column and type Reps. Your workout table headers are now complete. You now have a structured table with 3 clearly labeled columns to organize your training data. Click into the area below the table. A tooltip appears saying, click to add a new row, showing you can now add entries to track your workouts. You can add more columns by clicking the plus icon at the right edge of the table header, useful for tracking weight, duration, or rest time. To add a meal planner, type /table again below the workout table, and repeat the process with columns like meal and calories. If you want to reorder columns later, click the column header dropdown and choose Move Left or Move Right. And that's how to create a workout and meal planner in Notion. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.